Uh.
Ouch. Isaac, do we need to buy more wafer? Yes or no? Yes or no, Isaac? Do we need more wafer? Are you recording right now?